Alright. So in order to make my little bubbler for my seedling for my hydro, I just went to Home Depot and got tempered hardboard. These are the dimensions of it. Here we go. Get a bucket, this one right here, and this is gonna be my bubble bucket. You just get a regular bucket. I leave the handle on because it's convenient to have it there, and I'm just gonna trace it. So I've traced that out, and I've also traced the little pour spout on it too, and the reason is because you want zero light getting in. So what this is going to do is this is going to cover the top of your bubble bucket. Then I'm going to make a hole here. The hydroton and the seed is going to grow in. This is just to hold that all in inside this smaller bucket instead of the big giant one, so I don't use so much water and nutrients while it's such a small plant. And the reason why I did it at the edge here is because I actually need the rest of this for my drying method. I'm gonna show you how I do that. You want to outline your basket where your seed's gonna be in the middle of this thing as much as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect, all right, just good enough. But you also want it with the bottom facing down when you make your mark. This way it's not too big and won't fall through, because you only have a little lip right here. So we'll start off with the smaller circumference first, and then cut that and make it larger until it fits snugly.
Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. She told me I should write a song so she could smoke. And the fact I rapping that I don't, it's an ongoing joke. As she lit it, took a toke. She choked a little, then she spoke. She said she buys so much weed it'll probably make her broke. But life is heavy, bills are big, and bitches always stress her. So she keeps a bag of trees under her panties in her dresser. She looks so fucking sexy with a blunt between her lips. So I always cop a Duchess from the store on my trips. And she can tell what kind of shit you smoking by the smell. And music sounds better to her when she's high as hell. She grew up playing Cypress Hill, and to the death. She said her last dying breath would be the puff with meth. The Chiba Queen, Super Reaper Fiend. Marijuana mama, arteries that bleed green. I swear to God, I pray she'll never ever get away. Cause she smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day.
So you can see how I've done that. Got my basket here. My hydroton clay balls are gonna go in, and my seedlings are gonna go in here. But instead of going through the whole hydroponic system, because I only need a little bit of water for such a small plant and so small nutrients, so I don't waste so much energy, time, and money, I just get a little bucket, you know, make a cap around it so it will hold the basket, and just fill up my small bucket with small amount of water and nutrient solution. You know, you do this for a couple weeks and then you switch it to the main system. There you have it, homemade bubble bucket. Put your air hose in here with the air stone in the bottom. You just put it through here, slip it right on top. Alright.